and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Government's ambitious Cyber scheme, a business for many students sell out laptops within a year. Ads buzz on social websites for sale at 50% price, a Prudent expose. Four-time winners MP Shripad eyeing Environment Forest Ministry on priority. Mining on tourism next. Parrikar with both MPs to meet Modi in Delhi on Tuesday. Four cows dead at Kandola, 3 cows missing. Poisonous plastic waste in Kundaim industrial area claims lives. Postmortem by veterinary officers say it's all. "52 unclaimed bodies lying in old morgue of GMC. Old morgue almost full with dead bodies. GMC asked police to dispose of bodies. Police point at legal hurdles. And Churchill brothers continue to oppose Indian Super League. Chief Executive Officer Walanka Alamau says club will not release players for upcoming ISL. Now news in details. Government's one of the popular schemes, CyberAge, is facing a question mark on its utility. The scheme has been misused and taken for granted by many of the students. It has rather become a money-making scheme for many. Laptops distributed under the scheme are on sale, available on Facebook, Quicker and OLX. Students earn around 12 to 15,000 per laptop. This happens even after taking an affidavit from the parents that the laptop will not be misused or sold within a year. Watch Prudent expose.
We exposed this illegal business through ad that appeared on the social media. Have a look at this ad. After watching this ad, we called on the contact number that appeared in this ad. Prudent's reporter claiming to be a customer. Our reporter called the seller student. We realized that he is a beneficiary of CyberAge scheme. He is a student. We started inquiring about the laptop. Here is a conversation between a reporter and student.
I saw your ad on Facebook advertisement that you want to sell your CyberAge scheme laptop, Lenovo.
Yeah.
Is it there still or you sold it?
It's still there.
It's still there? Okay, what is the price? You have quoted 13K. Anything negotiable?
I can give you for 12.
Okay, I was interested, but then I'm just scared that because it is CyberAge scheme and it is government property, so then there wouldn't be any problem, no, in future.
No.
You can sell like that?
Yeah.
Okay, and is it registered on your name?
No, actually it's my friend's laptop, so it's on her name.
Okay, so you're sure, no, that there won't be any problem?
No.
Previously, have you sold any laptop like that? Or this is
Yeah, I have sold mine.
You have sold yours?
Yeah.
Okay, you are also a student, I guess, then.
Yeah.
And when did you buy that laptop?
31st August.
August, last year?
Yeah.
Okay, so it is not at 1 year old?
No.
Our probe did not stop here. We went ahead and asked for pictures and configuration of the laptop. We received the photos. It exactly matched with the configuration of laptops distributed by the government under CyberAge. Last year, government had distributed laptops to 11th standard students under the CyberAge scheme. The scheme is planned, cost government a whooping 40 crores per year. More than 17,000 students have received the laptops. But ironically, students have started misusing the laptop, even selling them off, have started making money out of it. Some have sold and many more are open for selling. A laptop costs around 21 to 22,000 for the government. Students get it for mere 1,000. In turn, some of the students have kept the laptops on sale at popular social media and online selling websites at around 12 to 15,000. Before distributing laptops, government takes an undertaking from the parents. Government fixes certain terms and conditions for beneficiaries. Parents give an undertaking that the laptop will not be sold within a year, will not be misused. Similarly, they also assure that the laptop will be used only for educational purpose and not for commercial purpose. It is also made clear that parents will be held responsible for the laptops. This illegal trade by the students has raised a big question mark over utility of the cyber aid scheme, including newly introduced e-tablets for school students. With Bureau Input, Sneha Sabnis for Prudent.
Shripad Naik is eyeing upon the environment, forest, mining or the Tourism Union Ministry portfolio. Panjim Gujarati Yuvak Mandal celebrated Modi's victory with Namo Tea Party at Miramar on Sunday evening. While witnessing the celebrations, Shripad spoke to Prudent. He said his priority would be environment and forest, but Goa will benefit if he gets one of these three ministries. CM Parikar, along with both the MPs, is expected to meet Narendra Modi in Delhi on Tuesday.
Shripad Naik has won Lok Sabha election for the fourth consecutive time. Being a senior BJP leader and Goa being close to Modi, BJP leaders are hopeful that Shripad will get a cabinet berth at the centre. Prudent caught up with Shripad Naik. He says his priority is environment and forest, but has two more options if asked to choose.
खरं मिनिस्ट्री दिवपाचो खंयची मिनिस्ट्री दिवपाचो कितें दिवपाचें प्रायम मिनिस्टराचो प्रिरोगेटीव आसता परंतु जर म्हाका विचारलें जाल्यार निश्चितपणे गोंयांक ज्या मिनिस्ट्रीची गरज आसा ज्या मिनिस्ट्रीच्या आदारान गोंयांत आमी कितें तरी इल्लेशें गोंयाचो विकास आमी पूश करूंक शकतात अशी जर मिनिस्ट्री दिली एखाद्याची ट्युरिजम आसतली एनवायरमेंट आनी फॉरेस्ट आसतली मायनींग आसतली अशी हातूंत जर मेळ्ळी जाल्यार त्या मिनिस्टर गोंयांत इल्लोसो चड उपेग जातलो अशें म्हाका दिसता.
चड स्ट्रेस जर ऑप्शन दिलो चड स्ट्रेस कित्याचेर आसता
ह्या दोन हेंचेर आसतलो फॉरेस्ट एनवायरमेंट मागीर मायनींग टुरिजम.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar is expected to fly to Delhi on Tuesday with MP Shripad Naik, Narendra Sawoykar, Party President Vinay Tendulkar and some senior BJP leaders to meet Narendra Modi. NDA's parliamentary board meet is also scheduled on the same day. Ministry issue will be likely be discussed at the meet. Gujarati Yuvak Mandal celebrated Modi's victory having a Namo Chai at Miramar on Sunday evening. MP Shripad Naik witnessed these celebrations. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar and Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
4 cows died at Damshire, Kandola on Sunday morning. 3 cows are missing till Sunday evening. Farmers claimed that the cows had been for grazing at Kunda Industrial Estate area. As per the report of veterinarian S.V. Naik, a lot of plastic was found in the stomachs of these cows. However, exact reason behind the death will be confirmed only after the post-mortem reports.
4 cows died after they came down from grazing on Sunday. Farmers informed that the cows had not returned to their sheds on Saturday night. One of the farmers said his cow was lying dead on the roadside and other 3 cows were found dead in nearby areas.
म्हणटरी आमी सकाळी कितें आसा एकतो म्हणटरी ताका पुरपाचे तयारेन हांवें सगळे मनशां बी तयार केल्ले आनी हांव येयल्लो म्हणल्यार मागीर पळयत जाल्यार ते म्हणूंक लागले आनी 4-5 जाणां आसा वेल्ली.
कशी कितें मेले अशें दिसता तुमकां?
कितें तरी तांकां विश्वास कितें तरी जालें न्ही ती गाय इतके तेंपा काय मरोना न्ही अशें.
Another farmer informed that the cows had gone grazing at Kundai.
अशी वयर आसताली ती कुणय आसताली ती कुणय ती हे 2-3 दिसांकूच येयल्ली.
आणि केन्ना पयली तुमी अशी मेल्या ती बीन हें जालें ती?
सकाळी
तांकां काल सोडलेली सकाळी सकाळी सोडलेली
आणि
काल सकाळी सोडलेली आनी मागीर राती येवना ती राती तांकां बांदपाक सोदी येयल्ली ती थंय गोट्या कडेन म्हटल्यार ती हातीक मेळना तावली.
Some farmers doubt that the cows were poisoned.
5-6 जाणां गोरवां मेल्लीं आसात तांकां कोण तरी कितें तरी घातलां अशें कोणी गांवच्या लोकांनी मन तरी असो हें करचें न्ही अशें करचें न्ही अशें म्हाका दिसता.
Veterinarian of Animal Husbandry Office at Ponda rushed to the site. Post-mortem shows that cows had consumed plastic and might have died due to lack of water. However, the exact reason behind the death will be confirmed only after the post-mortem reports. People immediately filed a complaint. Panch of Bedki Khandola Bhavna Naik assured compensation to the farmers.
आपल्या गोरवांक लागून आपले पोट भरताली तेन्ना सरकारान तांकां कितें तरी मदत करची अशी सरकारा कडेन मागता.
Dairy farming is the only livelihood of these farmers in Khandola. Farmers are now seeking assistance and compensation from the state authorities. Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.